Hey guys, welcome to AKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, Akshara combines manufactures of three components X, Y and Z which are made up from three parts A, B and C in the following proportion. For the manufacturing of X, we need one component of A and one component of B. For manufacturing of Y, we need two components of A and two components of B and one component of C. And for the manufacturing of Z, we need three components of A, one component of B and two components of C. Here, these parts are made on the premises. Further informations are following. So for the informations are given below. The selling price of A, B and C has been given 6, 14 and 24. Dark material 2, 2 and 5. Time cost is 2, 9 and 12. Time cost which covers the cost of direct labor and weight and overhead is valued at 6 per hour. All parts can be sold individually at the above selling price, but the market demand, which is hoped will be satisfied from the expansion, will be for the component. The further expansion would be provide an additional 58,000 hours, and the additional market demand for the component would be 5,000 units of each. Additional fixed expenses related to the expansion is expected to be 15,000. Prepare a statement showing how the additional capacity available should be used for generating maximum additional profit. Guys, here we have a company. So the company is manufacturing three components, and we have the final products like X, Y and Z. And for the manufacturing of X, Y and Z, we need different components at different numbers of product components of A, B and C. So and A, B and C components can be sold to the market individually. So we need to compute the best possible mix of the components. So going ahead with the solution, particulars X, Y and Z. So the components will be for X 1A and 1B, for Y 2A, 2B and 1C, for Z 3A, 1B and 2C. Sales will be 6, 1A plus 1B will be 6 plus 14, and 1A, 2A, 2B and 1C will be 6 into 2 plus 12 into 2 plus 24. The same way 3A, 1B and 1C will be 6 into 3, 12, 14 plus 24 into 2. Dark material 4, 13 and 18. Variable cost 11, 34 and 35 as mentioned. Like it will be calculated like sales. Then when we subtract the total cost with sales, we will get the contribution per unit, and then we can divide it with time. Time is 6 per hour, so when we divide the contribution per hour, we will get the per hour basis is 1.8, 5.6 and 6.5 as contribution per hour. So therefore the ranking will be 6.5 as 1 and 5.6 as 2 and 1.8 as 3. Then statement showing computation of optimum mix. Hours available is 58,000 hours. For hours used for product C. Product C is ranked first, so the product C shall be manufactured first. So 32,500 is the amount, that is 5,000 into 6.5 will give 32,500 hours. So hours used for product B will be the remaining hours of 58 hours. 58 minus 32,500, that is 25,500, divided by 5.6 will give you the hour as 5.6. Then statement showing computation of profit as per optimum mix. So we can only, so the hours available in this illustration is much more limited. We cannot produce the third component, or the product is Z. Therefore we need to work it out. So the computation will be contribution per unit 17 and 23. Unit manufactured will be 5,000 and 4,500. We cannot manufacture 5,000 unit because here, so here hours used for the product. So guys, over here we have available hour as 58,000, and the hour used for product C will be 5,000 units is required. So 5,000 into 6.5 hours will give 32,500 hours. So the remaining hours will be 58,000 minus 32,500, will get the remaining hours of 25,500. So for the maximum of 25,500 we can produce only product Y. So for the computation of product Y we have only 5.565 hours. So for the computation of number of unit, we need to divide 25,500 by 5.56 will give the unit as 4,500 units. Okay, now we can have the statement showing computation of the profit as per optimum mix. So first of all, we have the contribution per unit as 17 and 23, and the number of unit as 5,000 and 400, 500. When we multiply this contribution per unit with the units manufactured, we will get the contribution value less the fixed cost as 15,000 to get the profit of 1,71,500. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got clear clarification regarding this illustration. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.